Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to be straightening my hair for the first time in almost 2 years. I ended up getting a little emotional girl and came back with a bob. So let's jump right into this big chop. So this is my hair completely washed and blow dried. It already has heat protectant and it is ready to flat iron. Also, excuse my voice, I'm a little hoarse. The streets have been calling my name and I have been outside, okay? But I had to get this video out to y'all. So anyway, the first thing we're going to do is section off our hair. I like to part it exactly where I want my part to be for that reason, so it's already directed in the way I need it to go. So I usually do 2 sections in the back and 2 sections in the front. So what you see me adding right here is one of my favorite anti-frizz humidity sprays. This is just going to work in tandem with my heat protectant to ensure my hair is nice, smooth, and it won't revert. So as usual, if you're familiar with any of my silk press videos, I will pop them up on the screen because I have quite a few. I like to do a few presses at the root area, but I only do the chase comb method on my actual hair about 1 time. So I'm not going to talk too much through this video, one, because of my voice, and also I've done this routine many times. Most of my products have not changed. I will put all of them down in the description box. So stay tuned. We're going to let the music vibe us out for a little bit, and then I'm going to pop back in because this video takes a very interesting turn. So originally I was just going to give my hair a trim, but at this moment, I realized a bob would potentially be cute. So I'm going to go in, finish it up, get those edges really good. We're going to go in and do a trim. I also have a trim video already on my channel, so I'm not really going to talk through this. At this point, I'm just cleaning up about an inch and a half off of my hair to clean it up. Then I just started chopping. And I couldn't believe I started chopping. And so I did a little point cutting at the end so it wasn't super blunt. And I just kept on cutting. And then I kept cutting some more. And then I got really excited. Then I got a little nervous. And then out of nowhere, I started crying. I go in the bathroom and make this even. And then I'll be right back. But oh my God. And look how much healthier it looks. That look good. Yeah, them ends to go. New chapter, fresh start, new beginning, girls. I'm into it. So much came off, so that's about at least 2 close to 3 inches. I know that's right. I was not expecting to do this tonight. I was just gonna do a little trim, and I kind of said I wanted a bob, but I didn't know we was really gonna do one. Child, I done went in the mirror. Not only did I cut a bob, I didn't cut a bang. Listen, we ain't do our full chit chat like we usually do, but honestly, my hair needed a deep trim. I hadn't trimmed it since the last real cut was 2019 in the pandemic hit. And so for the last 2 years, I've been maintaining it. It's still very healthy. It's in good state, but it just really needed some inches off in my personal opinion. And I didn't know where I was going with it tonight, but I'm really excited because we got new things happening, so much to catch you guys up on at a later time. But new season, new job, new relocation, new me. That's what this is giving. So I'm excited. Let me style it and we'll come back for the final. And so I just want to jump in real quick again. The whole crying part was so interesting to me because I didn't realize how freeing it was going to feel, how much I was going to love what I just did. But I'm in love, y'all. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to thumbs it up. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, meet me down in the comment section. I will be in the back by the snacks. And as always, thank you guys so much for your support and patience through this transitional period. I love you so much, and God willing, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Yeah, what's up? You know the compliment you always so they calling you Bob. Stop playing, you nothing on for the Bob. Yeah, I like this my little stitch wig.